going to be picking up a new truck, and it is a Dodge Dakota. And I've been thinking that I need a new truck to tow stuff with, and I really like this truck. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in my truck and go pick it up. Now, it's not too far from here, but I'm in the truck that I picked up yesterday, I think. And I think it's the house right by where I got this truck from. So I'm going to go ahead and go to that place. I am almost there. It is right around the corner. And it is right there, it's that blue truck. So I'm gonna get it loaded up and bring it back to my house. So I just got it loaded up. So I'm going to go back to my house. So I just got the truck unloaded, and I think it looks really nice. I might change the rims on it, but I think it looks pretty good right now, and I don't think I'm going to change much to it. But this is the end of the video. So subscribe to my sister's channel. She does makeup and stuff like that. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, but you don't have to. And bye.